Lettuce lovers and green-thumbed dreamers. Ever wondered why your salads taste like sadness while your neighbors are the talk of the block? Well, buckle up, because today we're spilling the leafy secrets that'll turn your market garden into a lettuce legend. Get ready for the ultimate crash course in picking, planting, and absolutely rocking the best lettuce varieties, no matter your experience level. Whether you're a rookie with a windowsill or a seasoned pro with rows for days, this guide is your secret weapon. Lettuce isn't just a salad filler, it's the Beyoncé of the garden. Versatile, reliable, and always stealing the show. From crunchy romaine to buttery bib, we'll help you find your perfect match, and maybe even spark a little lettuce envy at the farmer's market. So, ready to level up your greens game? Stick around, because we're about to make your garden, and your salads, the freshest on the block. Let's leaf through the options, bust some myths, and get you growing like a pro. Let us begin. Ready? Grab your trowel, and let's get growing. All right, lettuce lovers, let's settle the age-old debate. Which leafy green truly rules the salad bowl? Welcome to the Royal Court of Crunch, where only the best make the cut. Here's the scoop. Not all lettuce is created equal. There's a wild world of flavors and textures out there, some bold, some buttery, some so crisp they practically snap back. Enter the crunchy king, crisp-head lettuce, aka the iceberg, the OG of salads, the MVP of sandwiches, and the lettuce that's been photobombing your family picnics since forever. You know the one, crunchy, cool, and always the life of the party at summer picnics and backyard barbecues. Picture this, tightly packed pale green leaves that deliver a refreshing crunch with every bite. It's basically the ASMR of the vegetable world. But don't be fooled. Crisp head isn't just a blank canvas for ranch dressing. It's got a subtle sweetness and a delicate flavor that can stand on its own. Seriously, give it a solo act in your next salad and let it shine. Shopping or harvesting? Go for heads that are firm, bright, and blemish-free. If it looks tired, it probably tastes tired. Avoid anything wilted or discolored, unless you're auditioning for a role in Lettuce the Tragedy. Crisp head lettuce loves cool weather. Plant in early spring or late summer for a fall harvest. Think of it as the Goldilocks of greens. Not too hot, not too cold. Give it rich, well-drained soil and keep the water coming. Consistency is key. If it dries out, it'll bolt faster than you can say bitter disappointment. Deep, regular watering is your secret weapon, especially when the sun's on full blast. And don't forget a little afternoon shade. Too much sun in your lettuce will wilt faster than your enthusiasm for weeding. Harvest time? Timing is everything. Wait for those heads to reach peak size, but don't let them bolt, unless you like your lettuce with a side of regret. If you see a flower stalk, you've waited too long. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for acting fast. To harvest, just slice at the base and leave the roots. Easy, breezy, and ready for round two. With a little TLC, you'll have a mountain of crisp, refreshing lettuce that'll make your salads the talk of the town, or at least the envy of your next potluck. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new varieties, mix things up, and see what grows best in your patch. Your customers and your taste buds will thank you for the variety. Who knows, you might discover a new favorite. So go forth, lettuce royalty. Embrace the crunch, savor the flavor, and remember, in the kingdom of greens, the crunchier, the better. All right, lettuce lovers, brace yourselves. It's time to meet the VIP of the salad world, butterhead lettuce. Yes, the one with a fan club at every farmer's market and a reserved seat at the fanciest restaurants. Why all the hype? Well, butterhead is basically the velvet robe of the lettuce kingdom. Soft, delicate, and so tender it practically gives you a hug with every bite. Unlike its crunchy cousin, the crisp head, butterhead is all about subtlety and nuance. Think of it as the jazz musician of greens, smooth, mellow, and always in good taste. The flavor, mild, slightly sweet, and no surprise here, buttery. It's the lettuce equivalent of a luxury spa day. Now let's talk varieties. Under the butterhead umbrella, you'll find the ever-charming Bib and the bold Boston, each with their own personality. Bib is the dainty one. Small, cup-shaped, and so tender you'll want to write it poetry. Boston, on the other hand, is a bit more outgoing, bigger, looser, and with a flavor that says, "Hey, notice me." Shopping for butterhead? Look for heads that are loose, leaves that are soft and pliable. Think yoga instructor, not bodybuilder. And if you spot brown edges or wilted leaves, swipe left, they're past their prime. Butterhead loves cool temps and well-drained soil. Think spring mornings, not summer scorchers. Keep it hydrated, especially when the weather gets thirsty. Dry spells? Butterhead says, no thank you. Here's a bonus. Butterhead can handle a bit more shade than its crisphead cousin. It's the introvert of the lettuce world, happy to chill in the shadows. In fact, a little afternoon shade keeps those leaves sweet, not bitter. Nobody likes a grumpy lettuce. Ready to harvest? You've got options. Go big and cut the whole head, or go slow and snip a few leaves at a time. For the all-in-one approach, just slice at the base and voila, lettuce for days. Prefer to savor the moment? Use a sharp knife or scissors to snip the outer leaves and let the inner ones keep growing. It's the gift that keeps on giving. This cut-and-come-again method means you'll have fresh lettuce all season long. Your salads will never be the same. Whether you're Team Bibb or Team Boston, Butterhead lettuce is your ticket to garden glory and salad stardom. Its soft, buttery leaves add instant elegance to salads, sandwiches, and even soups. Yes, soup. Lettuce isn't just a sidekick, it's the star. So next time you're in the garden, give Butterhead a little wink. It's the tender heart your market garden and your taste buds deserve. Are ready to meet the rock star of the lettuce world? Let's talk loose leaf lettuce, the wild child that refuses to play by the rules. Unlike those uptight, head-forming lettuces, loose leaf lettuce is all about freedom. No tight heads here, just a glorious, open rosette of leaves ready for action. The best part? You can harvest one leaf at a time or go wild and snip the whole bunch. It's the choose-your-own adventure of the salad world. Got a tiny garden, a balcony, or just a few pots? Loose leaf lettuce is your new best friend. It thrives in tight spaces and doesn't hog the spotlight. But don't let its laid-back vibe fool you. This lettuce packs serious flavor and versatility. It's the secret weapon in any salad arsenal. There's a whole universe of loose leaf varieties out there, each with its own personality. Some peppery, some sweet, all delicious. Craving drama? Try red oak leaf's deeply lobed leaves. Want frills? Salad bowls got you covered. There's a loose leaf for every mood and menu. Here's the kicker. Loose leaf lettuce is ridiculously adaptable. Sun, shade, weird containers, it's game for anything. Whether you've got blazing sun or a shady nook, loose leaf lettuce will still show up and show off. It laughs in the face of temperature swings, growing strong in both spring and fall. Talk about a year-round MVP. Just remember, keep it hydrated, especially when the weather gets thirsty. Dry spells are the enemy of tender leaves. Like all lettuce, loose leaf loves rich, well-drained soil. Treat it to some compost and it'll reward you with lush, tasty leaves. Harvesting? Easy. Snip the outer leaves with scissors or a sharp knife and let the center keep growing. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Start picking as soon as the leaves look snackable and keep going for weeks, even months, if you play your cards right. Want to impress at dinner? Loose leaf lettuce brings color, crunch, and a little bit of garden magic to every salad bowl. From deep reds to speckled greens, these leaves are basically edible confetti for your plate. And the textures? Oh, the textures. Buttery, crisp, tender, crunchy. Every bite is a new adventure. So when you're plotting your next market garden masterpiece, don't forget to invite loose leaf lettuce to the party. Trust me, once you taste the rainbow of flavors and textures, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without it. Let us celebrate the loose leaf revolution. All right, lettuce lovers, brace yourselves, because it's time to roll out the green carpet for the one, the only romaine lettuce. This veggie is basically the Beyoncé of the salad world. Tall, crisp, and always ready to steal the show. With its signature upright heads and leaves that crunch louder than your favorite snack, romaine is the backbone of every Caesar salad worth its salt. Those sturdy leaves? They're like tiny salad surfboards, riding the waves of creamy dressing and bold cheese without breaking a sweat. But don't box romaine in as just a salad bar regular. Its slightly sweet, nutty flavor and satisfying crunch make it the secret weapon in sandwiches, wraps, and yes, stir-fries. Who knew lettuce could be so versatile? Here's the kicker. Romaine is basically the superhero of hot weather. While other lettuces wilt and throw in the towel when the sun cranks up, romaine stands tall, literally. It shrugs off the heat, making it your go-to for summer gardens and long growing seasons. Plant it in late spring and you'll be harvesting crisp, fresh heads all the way through fall. That's a lot of salad potential, folks. Now, when you're picking romaine for your market garden, go for heads that are tightly packed, with dark green perky leaves. If you spot brown edges or wilting, swipe left. They're past their prime. Romaine loves well-drained, rich soil and a steady drink of water. Give it a little shade during the hottest part of the day, and it'll reward you with leaves that are crispier than your favorite meme. Harvesting? Easy. Just slice the head at the base and leave the roots to keep the party going. Or, if you're feeling thrifty, pluck a few leaves at a time, cut and come again style. And let's talk nutrition. Romaine is loaded with vitamins A and C, plus folate and potassium. It's basically a multivitamin in leaf form, and the fiber keeps your digestive system as happy as a gardener in spring. So whether you're a green-thumbed pro or just getting your hands dirty for the first time, romaine lettuce is your ticket to crunchy, tasty, and downright impressive harvests. Give it a try. Your salads and your taste buds will thank you. Romaine, the true salad superstar. Stop right there, lettuce lovers. Are you ready to turn your garden into a salad superstar factory? Because today we've unlocked the secret stash of leafy wisdom just for you. Here's the deal. Whether you're a green-thumbed guru or a seedling sprout, the real magic in your market garden is a mix of the right varieties, a dash of patience, and, let's be honest, a little pep talk for those drama queen seedlings. So, gloves on, sleeves up, and let's get gloriously grubby. Got a weird garden hack or a lettuce tip that's too good to keep secret? Drop it in the comments or tag us with #Rhokins Homestead. Let's make those plants boogie. If you're grinning and your brain's sprouting new ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because this garden party is just heating up. Thanks for hanging out at Rhokins Homestead, your one-stop shop for all things leafy, lively, and deliciously green. Ready to dig in and grow together? Because the only thing better than fresh lettuce is sharing the harvest with friends like you. Happy gardening, and may your salads always be crisp.